There's nothing inside of it?
Might be.
Ah! Come on, Alex! Good job. Okay. Okay, we're going in. Okay. Get to the passenger side. I don't know. I'm kind of scared. Okay, opening the door.
No, don't open it yet.
Why? Because there could be something living in it. Oh, that chicken! Probably. Okay, come on. Okay, I'm scared. Oh my god, there's a huge freaking spider web! Look! Oh my gosh! Ew, something's long in my eye!
It's probably a spider.
Come here, Alex! No!
This is what spiders attack!
No!
Arachnophobia!
What the fuck is that? I'm scared. So Mariah, what are we doing?
Come on! Not scared, come here!
You okay?
We're good, come on!
What the hell was that? My shoes are gonna get all dirty. Look at my shoes.
Breathe. Something's been living in here.
How do you know? Does it smell like rotten body? The seats are all torn up, dude. Maybe Elmo or Freddy. They clawed in there.
Hey! Come here!
I don't want to do this, Mariah.
Come here! Touch the steering wheel!
Fuck no.
Touch it!
You're gonna scream at me.
I'm not gonna scream. Hey, Lynn! Hey, wait! Come here!
No!
Bonfire! I want to be a hobo!
Be a hobo.
Look! It's like a cat!
Dude, we should do a video for YouTube.